an optimistic jobs report, behind the scenes of Donald Sterling's banning, and the origins of the food truck. Today on the New York Times Minute. New numbers on the state of the economy. 288,000 jobs were added in April, bringing down the unemployment rate to 6.3%. That's the lowest in more than 5 years. Numbers will fluctuate from month to month. Still,
the job market may finally be gaining strength, but we'll need future reports to know for sure.
I am banning Mr. Sterling for life from any association with the Clippers organization or the NBA.
That decisive action won NBA Commissioner Adam Silver accolades, but new details about behind-the-scenes maneuvering. It turns out that Kevin Johnson, the former player and now mayor of Sacramento, led a campaign to unite the often fractious players' union and may have exerted decisive pressure on Silver.
The players believe the commissioner has done his duty.
And from this weekend's magazine, the origins of the food truck. In 1872, a vendor named Walter Scott cut windows in a covered wagon. In more recent time, the boom of gourmet food trucks took off 6 years ago when the Kogi Korean barbecue truck hit the LA scene.